Managing anger with herbal remedies. Anger is a universal emotion, yet society often discourages its expression. But what if there was a natural remedy to help us handle anger in a healthier way? Introducing the Anger Chaser Tincture, a soothing herbal blend designed to cool things down. Made with blue vervain skullcap mimosa. To make the Anger Chaser Tincture: 3 tablespoons of blue vervain tincture, 3 tablespoons of skullcap tincture, 2 tablespoons of mimosa tincture. Transfer the mixture into a dropper bottle and label it. When anger strikes, take 1 dropperful, 25 drops, of the tincture in water or juice. If needed, repeat the dose 30 minutes later. This natural remedy can be stored for up to 3 years in a cool, dark place. Don't let anger control you. Try the Anger Chaser Tincture and discover a healthier way to manage your emotions. Take control of your anger and find peace within yourself.